Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this pretty crochet Elizabeth stitch. And I used an eye hook. You can go up or down on the hook size. The pattern is down below. And subscribe if you haven't already. If this is too fast, there is a link on how to do that down below for slow motion. Also, if you're a beginner, there's a beginner's playlist down below as well. Okay, so let's get started. This is done in multiples of 2 plus 4. So you can start with that with your chain count. Just slip knot onto your hook, yarn over until you have your desired amount that you would like. This is the width. This makes for great blankets, scarves, washcloths. So continue on until you have multiples of 2 and then plus 4. Okay, so I just did a chain sample, and in the 4th chain from the hook, I'm going to work the Elizabeth stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, insert your hook, grab the yarn, then yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and grab that yarn, then yarn over, and you have 4 loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all of the loops, chain 1, skip a chain. So you have that chain, you're going to go into the next, insert your hook, yarn over again, insert your hook, yarn over, grab the yarn. You have the 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1. That is the Elizabeth stitch. You're going to skip a stitch and continue until you get to the very end. And then chain 1, skip, go to the next stitch and just repeat. Skip, go to the next stitch. And you're going to chain 1 and then chain 2 more and turn, and then not in this space here, but in the little space gap here, you're going to work your stitch. So you have your stitches, and then in this space, insert your hook, grab that yarn, and then repeat by creating this Elizabeth stitch, and then chain 1. Okay, so you have your stitches here, and then this gap, you're going to go right in there, not next to it, but right inside that stitch here. So go right inside and just repeat that stitch. And this is all repeat now. Then chain 1, and then in your stitch from your previous stitch, go right into that space next to the stitch. Okay, so in the stitch, don't work your stitch, go right into the chain space here. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, insert your hook, then yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, then chain 1, then chain 2 more for a total of 3 chains. Turn your work, and then in the space here, insert your hook and work the Elizabeth stitch. Yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. With the 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, chain 1, and just repeat in the space of the stitch, the gap, work the stitch, yarn over and pull through, chain 1. Okay, at the end here, in the chain space, not this here, but in the chain space, work your stitch. Then chain 1, chain 2 more, and then just repeat. In the stitch, work your Elizabeth stitch. Okay, and just work that until you have the desired length that you would like in each of the spaces of the stitch. And then when you get to your chain space, work your stitch. And then chain 3 and turn. So at the end here, you're going to fasten off, just yarn over, pull through. Take your yarn needle and your yarn and weave in your ends. Just go through the back side and do this about 2 to 3 times. This will secure it and hide it. I really hope you enjoyed this Crochet Elizabeth stitch. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.